All right, guys, back with another update. Again, if you do not know, the Blender add-on for Octane had an update, which was just released a couple of days ago. And in this one, which was interesting, I found a couple of new nodes here. If I quickly jump in and look at this here, looks like we've got this node here. It says Octane Cycles Mix Color Node. It also does say wrapper. I think we've kind of just, I don't know, I'm not getting down to the nitty gritty, but basically it's like a lookalike of the color node, which is absolutely really cool. And right now at the moment, I'm actually working on a tutorial from our good old buddy Blender Guru on his latest video where he's doing a tutorial for blenders on texturing. And in that tutorial, he's using a lot of color mix nodes. So I was like, is this going to work? And so far I've been able to follow along pretty much nail to nail. I had to do a couple of extra things that, you know, that are exclusive to Octane. At the moment, I mean, come on, look at this, guys. Look at this. This is coming out pretty tight, right? I dropped the mic. I'm out.